How to identify animals with Google Lens. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can identify animals with Google Lens. So let's dive right in. First, open the Google right here, tap on it. Now you can see the Google Lens right here, tap on it. This will open the camera. Just place the camera to the picture like this and tap on search right here. This will detect the animal like this. As you can see, the image shows a tiger right here. Just repeat the same process for every animals you want to check out. Just go back and place the camera like this and tap and search, and the animal will be detected by the AI just like this. And that's it. This is how easy it is to detect animals by using the Google Lens. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.